Club. The topic of this video is how to deal with external hurdles and become a strong and awesome affiliate. First, what are some external hurdles that you may have? Number one, resources. Number two, tools and techniques. Number three, methods. Number four, strategies. Now, let us deep dive into each of these external hurdles. Hurdles primarily mean some constraints we have towards using them or having a plan for them. Let's deep dive into these external hurdles and also see what techniques we can use to deal with them in style. Resources. This can be due to not having an idea on the amount of investment of time, no rough plan on the right amount of investment of money, investment of required efforts, investment of focus or attention on the resources, or these are the resources basically to work on your entrepreneurship or affiliate business. How to deal with them in style. Analyze available information thoroughly from authentic sources in the internet. Learn from your mentor. From time to time, you can get some ideas from your mentor. So use that opportunity to change yourself and deal with the resource constraints or the hurdles. Follow relevant groups in social media. Run polls. Post your questions in Quora and get answers from the pros or stars in that niche. Number two, tools and techniques. The hurdles here are not knowing the requirement to learn some important tools and techniques, the requirement to invest on these tools, to find right resources for learning the tools and techniques, the techniques to deal with them, with these hurdles, are research on the tools and techniques employed in your niche. Learn from like minded affiliates or passive income pros in your niche. Ask your mentor, get clarifications, implement them. Post questions in social media forums, in social media groups, and get them answered. Send out polls to contacts in your Telegram or Facebook group and research the answers and find the solution that best suits you. The next hurdle, number three, is the methods. The hurdle, the external hurdle, because of not knowing or not having enough knowledge on implementing your business with certain specific methods. No knowledge on planning the affiliate marketing business or any passive income source. No knowledge on implementing the affiliate marketing business or passive income source. Do not know the right methods and means of business implementation. Do not know the methods to maintain and upscale the business. So these are the hurdles. Techniques to deal with them is come up with a list of methods to implement your business. Have options. If one fails, have something to try upon. Sometimes the methods are learnt only by trial and error basis. You can understand the methods employed in business from role models in your niche. Try to find out your role models in your specific niche of affiliate marketing. Try to understand their methods from the way they are coaching or teaching your a set of affiliates. Implement them. You can do a thorough research on the internet and learn from the leaders in your niche. Take the help of your mentor. Now, number four is strategies. Not knowing the right business or market strategies to start and run the affiliate marketing or alternative income business. Number two, to align the affiliate marketing or passive income strategies with a select niche, the niche of your choice. Now, A third one is how to change the strategies, not knowing how to change the strategies to align with the changes in the market conditions, general buying behavior, and shift in the consumer mindset. Techniques to deal with them. Start your business with a rough strategic plan. It is largely learned by practice. Read through this topic in top leaders' blogs or successful entrepreneurs' articles on the strategies they plan and employ. Align the learned strategies with your niche. It's not enough if you learn the very many different strategies. You have to align it with your niche. What is applicable to your niche is the one that would work wonders for you. Take tips and tricks from your mentor. Learn from internet, but implement only those that are applicable to your niche. You can also post your questions in Quora or survey your target audience, or you can also ask questions about this in Facebook or other social media to get some answers and solutions to them. What's up? Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Cheers and wishing you more success and joy. Subscribe to this channel for all future notifications on new videos posted here. If you enjoyed watching this video, send a like on my way. Stay tuned. Thank you from Thrive Unique Club.